What's up, guys?
Hey, guys.
Welcome to a weekend vlog.
Weekend vlog.
Today we are heading to the store and buying stuff to make the noodles that come at Ohana when you have dinner there. They're amazing and I'm really excited.
Yeah, so we're having a luau party today.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And that's the second part of the thing we're doing. We're having a luau for Amanda's birthday.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty fun.
I'm excited. So let's go shopping and get the stuff we need to make some Ohana noodles.
I hope they come out good.
Me too.
After a very frustrating trip to the store, we're home. So up next on the agenda, we have to make Ohana Noodles, and I'm making Navy Grog, which will be cool. And we have to go outside and set up and put all the decorations up. So let's get started. I'm actually pretty stoked today because I don't often get to use my wok. Got everything set out on the table. I think I got it all. Now I have to shred this and then cook it and then mix all this other stuff together. We'll see how it goes.
You're on.
Trying not to cut my finger off while I shred the cabbage. I'm shredding cabbage. I don't know how much cabbage to make. Like
It doesn't say?
No, the recipe I found doesn't say anything. So I'm gonna do half of the green and I'm gonna do half of the red.
Oh, okay. That'll be good.
And we'll see if that's enough. Or too much, or not enough. Hey Amanda, you know what I hate about cabbage?
What do you hate?
The mess it makes on the table.
It does make a mess, huh?
It's the messiest thing ever. What are you doing?
But it tastes so good.
Cool.
When you put it into dishes. Like?
Ohana Noodles.
So excited.
Alright, the cabbage is shredded. Gotta do the garlic. Gotta do the ginger. Gotta start boiling this. And we only have 3 hours left.
Whew.
Do you think we have enough time?
Decorate too.
And we still have to decorate.
For the luau party.
Mm-hmm.
We need some luau music.
Oh yeah.
Cutting up the garlic.
Cutting up the garlic.
Slicing it real nice.
Slicing it real nice.
Real thin.
Real thin.
Love it. Don't be shy on the garlic.
Alright, I'm gonna add more garlic than they called for. They called for 1 1/4 tablespoons.
Oh. Do you think that's a lot?
Yeah, you know, I chose a really bad recipe because it doesn't tell me how much this is gonna make.
Huh.
And it just says add yakisoba noodles, but I don't know how many to add.
Just add all the noodles.
Just all the noodles.
We have a lot of people to feed.
Yeah.
Family style.
I really hope this comes out good.
Me too. I think it'll be great no matter what.
And if it does, we might have to make this more often.
Yes.
Gotta do the ginger. Gotta peel the ginger.
You peel that ginger.
Quick tip with ginger, a spoon does a really good job at peeling it.
Really?
Yep.
Let me see your skills.
Check it. You just drag the spoon. See how easy that is?
Wow. I would never think to use a spoon.
Way easier than a peeler.
Where did you learn this trick?
I have no idea. When I used to make a lot of smoothies, I used to do this all the time.
Oh.
Until I got really lazy and stopped doing it.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
Ginger's so powerful.
Yeah, it's very intense.
I don't know what's worse, the ginger or the garlic.
I wouldn't say worse.
Smell-wise.
Ah. Smell intensity?
Yes, smell intensity. Yes.
I'm just gonna simmer that for a little while.
And while that's simmering, what is the next step?
I'm gonna make a sauce.
Oh, a saucy sauce?
A saucy sauce. So I'm gonna reduce some pineapple juice because I couldn't find pineapple concentrate.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to reduce some pineapple juice.
Oh, nice rhyme. Wow, look at that go.
The cabbage is sauteing. The pineapple juice is reducing. And we've got nothing to do.
What are we gonna do? We have lots of things to do.
Gotta decorate and, oh, would you like to make some Navy Grog with me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get the thing out and make some grog.
Okay.
We have these two containers that we're gonna use to make some Navy Grog. Now I think with Navy Grog you can kind of follow your own recipe.
Yes.
And do it however you like.
Just go with the feels.
We can do it the old Trader Vic's way.
Okay.
Or we can do it our own way. So I think in one, we're gonna do it the traditional way.
Okay.
We'll do it grapefruit, lime juice, and rum, and that's it.
Okay.
And then we'll do it a different way, which is our way, and we'll add some pineapple juice to it because
Ooh,
we
yum.
have an entire container of pineapple juice that we'll do nothing with.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right. The rum should always go first.
Okay.
Can you fill me up with rum to about here?
Sure.
Yeah, fill it up to the black line for both.
Okay.
Glug, 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 glug. While you're doing that, let's go check our cabbage. So what I thought was going to be a ridiculous amount of cabbage has actually reduced a lot.
That's good.
And the pineapple is steadily reducing. How you coming?
Pretty good.
Is that the whole container of rum?
Almost.
Just about? Woo, that's fun.
Smells good.
All right. Hey babe, I'm gonna learn you how to make the Navy Grogs.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
you're gonna do it.
All right. What else we need?
All right, grab the lime juice from the fridge.
Lime juice.
Yeah.
Lime juice. We're all in. We don't have a lot.
Oh no, well that's why I got the frozen concentrate
Oh, you
stuff.
want that?
Yeah, you want to make a vat of that up and we'll use that? All right. All right, you got lime juice?
I've made lime juice.
All right, let's put some lime juice in there. And I'd say use one full one split between two.
Okay.
So that's a
Half and half?
yeah, that's a quarter of a gallon. So we'll put 1/8 of a gallon in each. And these things are full gallons, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The rest in here.
Yeah, sure. That sounds good. Go, go, go. Oh, you're looking delicious already, baby.
And it's nice and cold because it's like frozen limeade.
Yeah.
Alright. Now what?
Grapefruit juice. Fill her up. Let's put most of it in this one,
Okay.
and then we'll make this one a pineapple-y one. Ooh, you going swimming, baby? It's good.
A little bit in here?
Yeah, let's put the rest in there.
Oh, really?
No,
No?
no, a little bit. It's gonna have a little tartness to be Navy Grog. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I guess put the rest in.
All right, there you go.
Alright.
Now let's do pineapple juice.
And this one?
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep
Oh, I smell
going.
the rum.
Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
The whole can?
The whole can.
Okay.
There we go. Now we're gonna fill this one with ice.
Okay.
We need to put some simple syrup in here,
Okay.
which is in the fridge I made last night. And that squirt bottle,
Yep.
that's organic, cane, simple syrup, sugary stuff.
Fun.
Put the whole thing right
This
in
one?
there. Yep.
Whole thing?
Yeah, you can take the top off.
Oh, that would help, huh?
You can unscrew the top and do it really quick too.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah, there you go.
Pour the whole thing in.
The whole thing. There you go.
Okay.
And that'll make it not taste like
Should I
rum
mix it?
when we go to drink it. Yep, definitely. Definitely do some mixing in
My big
there.
long spoon. Comes in handy.
You know what I think we should do?
What?
Taste it, and then decide what else we should put in there.
Should we use the little spoon?
No, I think we should put it into a little cup.
Okay. Oh yeah, we got a little dispenser, so.
Yeah, there's little dispensers on there. Here's the cabbage that is reducing nicely, and woo, all the water came out, and now we're sauteing. Yeah, we're good now, baby. Woo, look at that. Woo! Now let's look. Now in here, I've added all of the ingredients, and now we're just kind of simmering and getting it nice and thick right now. So we're gonna heat it, and we're gonna boil it, and dissolve all that brown sugar we put in.
I'm ready to try these?
Yes!
These little cups I have.
Yeah, ooh, look, fun little cups.
Okay.
All right, this is number one with the pineapple.
Okay. Try these together.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Thanks.
That is delicious.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Pineapple
Yeah.
Navy Grog, really good. All right, number
wow.
two.
Okay.
Fill me up. Woo, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
That is a lot stronger.
That needs more grapefruit and maybe a little bit more lime.
Yeah.
So let's fill some of that up in a little bit before the party. We'll fill it with ice and we'll bring it outside and it's gonna be great.
Okay. All right. We ready to try my?
Yeah, did you fix it?
I think I
All right,
fixed it.
Let's try it.
Okay.
All right.
Cheers
Navy
again.
Grog, take two.
Okay.
Oh
Way
yeah.
better. Oh wow, that's delicious actually.
Actually, that's really good.
That's really good.
So one thing that we changed this time, which I don't normally do, is we use some limeade, which is the frozen concentrate lime juice drink.
I have a little secret ingredient I think I want to add.
What did you... Oh, of
Cherry
course.
juice.
Dump the rest of that stuff in there.
Okay, well there's cherries in there.
Well, don't put the cherries. It'll clog. Yeah, it'll clog it.
All right, should I put them in both or just one of them?
Just one.
The pineapple one? Or the, which one do you think?
Of course the pineapple one,
Pineapple cherry,
You gotta
right?
do the pineapple one. And then we'll use the cherries for the drinks later. We're at the final step of the sauce for the noodles. And this is looking really good. It smells really good too. I gotta make the skewers.
I'm gonna cook. Oh, this chicken has been soaking in what all night?
The chicken has been soaking in teriyaki marinade?
With pineapple?
With pineapple.
We got the skewers.
And we got the skewers, and I'm
got
only
some
doing
onion.
chicken and onions.
So it's
Now
time.
the worst part of any day. Digging into the chicken. Oh my god, what feels like an hour and a half later, I have made 52 chicken kebabs.
Did you really count them?
No.
Oh.
Cinderella's doing the dishes. Do those dishes, Cinderella.
I will.
And we are just about to start making our noodles. Michelle, can you look at this? How good does that look? Not very. You don't like that stuff. That's okay.
I just played ukulele.
You're done playing. You're an amazing ukulele player.
Thank you.
Great job.
Mom wants to play the guitar.
Yeah, he should start with ukulele because it's so
that's
easy
what
to play.
I told- I said you can get your hands around it better.
I can hear you.
Here
We want you to hear.
Good deal. Oh no, Amanda.
Aw. What happened?
It came out really crummy.
Yeah.
Way too saucy.
Yeah, and the noodles needed to be cooked first.
And the noodles needed to be cooked first. So they're cooking in there, but they're not sucking up any water.
The flavor is amazing though, I must say.
It is good.
So what are we gonna try to do?
So we don't have any more spaghetti or round long noodles, so we're gonna use rotinis and add them just to make it not so saucy. Because it's a little too saucy.
Which one?
Very sweet.
Oh.
Well, with the noodles ruined, I think we're gonna start decorating outside while we try to fix them. But I'm not optimistic. All right, what do you got, pal? You got something to stick in the ground, huh? And you got Lay's. Ooh, Lay's. Can you go put the Lay's on the table and I'll stick this thing in the ground? Cool.
On that table.
Look at this thing. It's kind of neat.
Getting ready for the luau.
What up? Just gotta move the trash. We're gonna start hanging Christmas lights.
Nice. Christmas in July.
Christmas in July. Sir, hold those for me. And you're gonna be my ladder holder. If I fall, it's your fault.
Don't get tangled up there, buddy.
Keep it coming.
I actually hold
There he goes. Careful, don't step on them because they could break. There you go.
How's that, all right?
Make it easy.
Well, that's what I was...
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you are clever.
Here you go. Bring me over that way. Noodles are ruined. They didn't make it.
It's really sad.
It is
Spent a lot
just-
of money on that too.
I know, it's just too much sauce. So my one regret is that I dumped all the sauce into the pan,
Yeah.
and I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah. What should you have done?
I don't know, as soon as I dumped the sauce in there and added the noodles, it just immediately thickened to this ridiculous
It was goo.
molasses. Yeah, it was like crazy molasses. So I don't know what to do to save them, but I think they're dead.
It makes me sad.
But we still have the chicken, and there's gonna be a lot of other food.
Yeah.
And we're decorating.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's some Lay's, and there's Hawaiian music going on the radio.
Love it.
And we've got Christmas lights. I don't know if you
This
can
is
see
gonna
them
be-
yet, but they're right here,
For the photo prop?
strung all along the house. Oh, and we've got a selfie booth with luau props. What kind of stuff do we have in here?
Let's see. Got
Ooh, a
Whatever this
drink with a straw, a leaf,
another leaf.
another leaf. Oh, some glasses. Let's see them on, buddy. The other way.
Ooh,
Those look good.
More glasses.
More
We need to
glasses.
set this up. And this.
Trash.
Oh, trash. Even more.
More glasses. Oh, those have flamingos on them. Those are cool.
You can put them next to you.
Mm-hmm.
Anywhere?
All right, let's do a photo op, Michelle.
What? Okay. Cheese. Why not that one? Why not this? Oh.
Well, that is unfortunately gonna wrap it up for the weekend vlog. Well, where are you going? So we had. All right.
We have successfully set up for our luau.
Successfully set up for our luau. Unsuccessfully cooked Ohana noodles. They're gross.
I'm still gonna eat them.
I'm not. They're disgusting. They taste like trash. And what else?
We've decorated. Made some grog.
Decorated, made some grog.
Some chicken skewers.
And now we're just gonna relax
Until everybody gets
and
here.
have a luau. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Say it.
Don't forget to bring home the milk.